Alright, what is up guys? Soy Sauce 22 back in our video, and I'm going to be announcing the winner of the giveaway in this video. And this is the most entries by far in a giveaway I've had, so thank you to everyone who entered. But first, two Ultimate Legends came out today. There's a 99 overall Steve Hutchinson and a 99 overall John Randle. There's one up here. You check him out quickly, compare him with Aaron Donald, who I have right now. And Aaron Donald's actually pretty comparable to him, but honestly, John Randle has way better finesse move and play rec. The block shot's only better by 2, and the tackle's only better by 1, so Aaron Donald is actually a really good competitor with him, but obviously, if I pulled John Randle, that'd be insane. Anyway, Steve Hutchinson isn't up here, but I think I saw he has like 100 run block and 96 pass block, so hopefully I can pull either one of those guys. And quickly before I announce the winner, just want to show an update to my lineup here. As I said in a couple previous videos, I did end up getting the 96 overall Stephon Gilmore. So, I'm going to look at his stats quickly. The main reason why I got him was because, well, there's two things. One, he is really fast, and two, the man coverage. I've been looking to have somebody with really good man coverage, and 99 man coverage that's as good as you can get here. And it's actually pretty comparable with Charles Woodson, so they'll definitely be good number 1 and number 2 cornerbacks. And they're both 6'1", so they do have a little bit of height for, the deep balls and stuff. Anyway, gonna announce the winner here, so good luck to everybody. And the winner is Sherrod10. Again, Sherrod10. Be sure to message me on Xbox 360 when you see this video, and congratulations. Just gonna take a look at that Brandon Graham one more time. So, once again, this is the card that Sherrod10 won. 92 tackling, 94 pursuit, 93 hit power, and 92 acceleration. So, gonna get him some packs here now. I still have those two Mutt Rewards Combine packs saved up for this video, so hopefully I can get something out of those. Here we go. Starting off with Miles Austin. There were also new Campus Heroes that came out that I forgot to mention in yesterday's video. There's a new 96 overall CJ Mosley, 91 Santonio Holmes, 93 Marquise Pouncey, and 94 Matt Ryan. I think there's a couple other people too, but those are the main ones that I saw. And you get Jason Avant. I think he's in the set. Let me check quickly. Okay, so he is in the Chiefs captain set, so hopefully he does go for a little bit. And then Jimmy Wilson there. So, just going to keep going through these. Hopefully, I can pull something good here. Alright, Danny Amendola. I'll open a couple more of these pro packs, and then I'll get into my combine packs. Kevin White. Alright, just gonna back out for a sec. Alright, get right back into it here. I'm just hoping for some kind of elite pull. Alright, so Taylor May's there. Jaleel Adai. Is he in the set? No, he's not. Just gonna fly through here. And Jason McCourty. Okay, not a bad pull. Should go for a couple of K. So 2 more pro packs here, then I'll get into the combine packs. Quiz Rogers. Packs are not treating me well today, that is for sure. Review all. Okay, got a combine collectible, so that's good. And then LaRon, that's the wrong LaRon Landry. If you guys didn't know, there was a 24-hour one out yesterday. Alright, gonna get into those combine packs here. This is a free 140k right here, because the packs are normally 70,000 coins a piece, so here we go. First one up. Starting off with a Vikings away jersey. Tremaine Brock. Aaron Lynch. Okay, campus hero Deion Sims. I hate that red flash for that. Alright, combine workout broad jump. Road to the playoffs Antonio Smith. And Rolando McClain. Alright, so still have another one here. Starting off with Tank Carradine. Gonna reveal all. And got nothing again. Oh well. Got another combine collectible. And these are free packs anyway, so I can just put these players in the gold player set to get badges. Coin making tip right there for you guys. Anyway. Another pro pack just ended off here. And Clint Bowling. Alright, so that's going to be it for the video, guys. Again, congratulations to Sherrod10. He won the Brandon Graham giveaway. Again, thank you to everyone who has entered the giveaway. This was the biggest amount of entries by far. So, be sure to like and subscribe. Comment if you want to. And I'm out, guys.